Select the cell, range of cells, text, or character that you want to format with a different text color. On the Home tab, in the Font group, click the arrow next to Font Color and then under Theme Colors or Standard Colors, click the color that you want to use. To apply the most recently selected text color, select the cells, and click Font Color button. To apply a color other than the available theme colors and standard colors, click More Colors, and then define the color that you want to use on the Custom tab of the Colors dialog box.